Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Axis Tool Essential Long Reach Kit. This kit is used for lockout tools. In other words, when your keys get stuck in your car and you can't get in, you can use this Essential Long Reach Kit. What comes in this package? First of all, I want to say I have never used one of these, and today we are going to try it out on this 2006 Dodge Caravan. So what comes in the package is, first we got the Quick Master Long Reach. This is 28 inches. Right in here, you can unscrew this here, and when you unscrew it, you'll have some extra tips. Now the tips will go right in here. This is to prevent from scratching the car. Also, we also have the super air jack. This is what we use in the window or the side of the door to open it up. What we also have, we have the one hand jack. You can use this two ways. You have this one with the gap that you can just take the door and push it this way, or the flat side that you can use in the top or in the side, but you cannot use this in all circumstances. I'm gonna show you why I'm not gonna be able to use this one on this van. What else do we have? We have the long carrying case to put all your tools inside. We also have the button master, and this is what we're going to be using today. This is in case your car has the vertical unlock button, the ones that goes up and down, and this is the one we're going to be using today for this Dodge. And all you do is just press it here, and when you press it in, it open up, and then when you let it go, it's tighten up. And this is what we're going to use on the vertical button. We also have a quick instruction guide that comes with it. We also have, they send you a nice catalog in case you need more tools. And now the instructions, you can go online and they will show you how to use this Essential Long Reach Kit. I don't know if I mentioned, I had never used one of these. So let's get to the car and let's use the button master. I mentioned before that we're not going to be able to use this one hand jack. The reason being is because this side right here, it is glass, the glass. Over here we have the metal part. There's a possibility if you try to use this like this, all this way around, that you can crack the window. We can use it from the top here, but what I'm gonna do first, I'm going to try to use the air jack first, and then once I use the air jack, I'm gonna put this in the top and move it a little bit and put the button master right in. There goes the button here. I'm gonna get you closer. Once I put everything together here, I'm gonna get you closer to over here so you can see the button. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna take the air jack, and we're gonna put it in here. And what you wanna do is, you want it to go in, and you see how easy it went in there? Now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna pump it. As you can see, you know what? I don't even have to use this tool right here because it seems like I have a nice little gap through there to put the button master. And it's right here, the button is right there. And all I have to do is first, we're probably gonna have to bend it, but I wanna see where I have to bend it. So all I'm gonna do is just gonna find somewhere in here that I can put it. Just take your time. And we are in. See how we in? So you notice that it's going straight in. So that means we have to bend the tool this way in order to get this in there. So what we do is we take it and we bend it here somewhere. Remember, what we're trying to do, we're trying to put this in the vertical button. And once you get it closed, you press it here and this open up. And all you have to do is open the door. Let me just show you. The door's locked. So I'm gonna get you closer so you can see what I'm doing. Just remember, I'm putting it like this and I bend it, and let me get you closer. All right, here we go. When you do this, you have to be careful with the weather stripping that is in there. Take your time, put it in there. Now go down, and all you have to do is just open it up. There it goes. And there we go. And like I said before, I have never done this before. Like I always say, if non-mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.